In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send files to a different computer like a laptop. So this will work without Google Drive or a Gmail account, or you do not need to have a USB flash drive for this to work right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up your Google Chrome and you want to find for this application or software called Send Anywhere. I'll have a link in the video description for this application or software because this is also an application. You can download it for Android, iOS, Amazon Kindle, Windows, Mac, and Linux, and Outlook add-on right there. Now, to find the version that you want for your Windows computer, you want to head over to My Files, click on this PC, then click Properties, and then you see I have 64-bit version right here because it says System Type, 64-bit operating system right there. And now you want to find the operating system that you have. You might have 64 or 32-bit operating system. Now you want to head back to the application right here, the website. Now what you want to do is you want to download the version that you have for your computer. I have 64-bit, so I'm going to download 64-bit. Now you want to install this application right here. Make sure you have this application for your other computer as well installed. Otherwise this will not work. Just keep all these settings the same right here. Click next, then click install. Then it's going to be installing right here. It's going to be installing for you right there. I already have it installed, so that's why it gave you that warning. And make sure it's installed on your other computer as well. Now that you opened up the application on your laptop right here, you want to have it opened up on your other computer or your desktop computer as well. This will work for both the desktop and laptop right here. Make sure you have the application opened up on both computers. Now you see on the laptop, you should see this little plus icon right here. You should see this plus icon on the screen right there. It's telling you drop files or folders here. Any file that you can think of, it will do it. Now what I'm going to be sending is I'm going to be sending a video right here. You can send any file that you can think of. Now you want to find the folder or file that you want to send. Now I'm going to be sending this video right here. I'm going to be sending this video that I highlighted right there. Now what you want to do is you want to drag the file onto the application right here. Now when you drop it in, it's going to be giving you a code right here. You see? It gives you that code right there. That 6-digit code, you want to enter it in to the other computer right here. You got almost 10 minutes to use the code. Now this code expires in 10 minutes. But it does not expire when you enter it in on the computer. You see? You want to enter it in on the computer right here. Now you see it says input key right there. You want to enter the code that I told you to enter right there. Now what you want to do is click enter right here. Enter, and then you see the file is going to be downloading, or it's going to be right there on your computer right there. Now what you want to do is you want to click the download button right here. Then it's going to be downloaded on your computer right here. Click download, then it's going to be on your file right here. You can click right here, and then it gives you the file right there. Then the file gets saved right here. You see? I'm going to play the video for you right there. You see? The video plays perfectly right there. That's how you can send any file using the software called Send Anywhere on your computer. This will work for laptop or Windows computer. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.